Hey everybody, here today to talk about my LG stove. Mine is 5 years old, and about a month ago I noticed I was having a lot of problems. It started with my double burner. It just had a mind of its own. Sometimes it would work, sometimes it wouldn't work at all, sometimes it would just quit while I was using it. Then it got to be to where if I turned the little one on behind it, then that switch would turn both of them on at the same time, even though I never used the front control here to turn this one on. So it kind of got to be a safety concern. The oven wouldn't get up a temp. The next time you turn it on, temperature would run away. A lot of electronic problems. Started doing my own Googling, and everybody seems to have problems with the left side burners first. Then they start getting the other things, just like we did. Well, what I've come to understand is that this vent tube in the back right here, it's where all your excess heat from the stove comes out. You see it's right underneath the control board for the left side burners. It's kind of a no-brainer what's going on, huh? All the electronics get baked, and it only took 5 years. So I called LG and kind of expressed how I felt about a $1,000 investment that lasts 5 years, thinking they would try and make it right with me, give me incentives, buy another LG or something. And kudos to LG, they actually replaced all the electronics, the entire top of the machine here, all the stainless and everything. Couldn't be any happier with it, but I know that it's on borrowed time. So what I've done is I've built a separate heat shield in addition to what I would consider a pretty flimsy heat shield from the factory. It's all tucked away, it's hidden, it's nice and neat. I've got a few pictures of what I shaped, and I'll put them behind this. I've also got a video of what my stove was doing, how it was going haywire, and I'll post it too. If you decide to work on your stove, or if you get it fixed under warranty or something, or even the next stove you buy, all the new stoves we looked at before we got this one fixed, they all have the same vent underneath the electronics. So in my opinion, they're all on borrowed time. Once the heat fries electronics, there's really no reason to add more money in it. Just buy another one. So if you decide to build a heat shield or something, just make sure you unplug your stove before you start working on it, and I'll get these videos and pictures put up here. Thanks.